You've probably seen it all over social media. Seed oils are toxic. But is it true or just fear-based hype? Welcome to Bite-Sized Truth, where we bust food myths with real science. Today, the truth about seed oils. So, what are seed oils? They're made from seeds like canola, soybean, sunflower, safflower, corn, and grapeseed. They're cheap, widely used, and processed with heat and chemicals like hexane. And that's where the controversy starts. Critics say seed oils are packed with omega-6 fats, which can cause inflammation, and when fried at high heat, they can produce toxic byproducts. But let's look at what the science really says. Most studies don't link moderate seed oil intake to chronic disease. Some even show canola oil may reduce cholesterol. But here's the nuance. We're not eating these oils in moderation. They're everywhere. Fast food, fried snacks, frozen meals, sauces, and restaurant cooking oil. When these oils are reheated again and again, they oxidize and turn toxic. So should you panic? No dot. But here's what you can do. Cook more at home. Avoid ultra-processed and deep-fried food. Use olive oil, avocado oil, or butter in moderation. And balance your omega-6s with omega-3s from fish, walnuts, or flax. In short, seed oils aren't poison, but they're not neutral either. It's the overuse and processing that's the real issue. Enjoyed this breakdown? Subscribe to Bite-Sized Truth for weekly food myth busts with facts, not fear. Next up, what natural flavors really mean.